why your first $1,000 feels impossible, and how to fix it. Are you stuck feeling like earning your first $1,000 is like trying to catch a cloud? You work, you save, but that big number just seems to slip away. It's not just you. Welcome back to Rise and Capitalize, where we're all about empowering you to control your money. Today, we're tackling a big one: why that first $1,000 feels so out of reach. Stick with me, because understanding this one concept can completely change your financial game. But I don't have enough income to even start. Or, investing seems too risky with so little. And that's a common misconception. It's not about how much you earn initially, but about consistent action. Every small step adds fuel. And subscribe to Rise and Capitalize for more financial insights. Now, tell us in the comments, what is the one small step you're going to take this week to start building your fuel? And no, you don't need to risk it all. Most people find that first $1,000 the hardest. When you have very little, it takes immense effort just to lift off the ground, right? That's what your first $1,000 feels like. You don't have enough fuel yet to escape that gravity. But here is the secret: once you gather enough fuel, that first $1,000, something incredible happens. Want to know what happens? We're getting there. It's facing the gravity of small money. Every dollar you earn is often immediately pulled down by daily expenses or unexpected costs. You're constantly trying to save, but it feels like the money just disappears before it can gain any real momentum. But what if I told you there's a hidden reason why, and a simple shift that can unlock your earning potential? Hey future wealth builders, think of your money like a small rocket. This isn't about being bad with money. It's just how the financial world works when you're starting with zero. Now, you might be thinking, the moment you hit that $1,000 mark, you break free from the gravity of small money. Your money starts working for you, gaining momentum like a rocket finally in orbit. Find one side hustle, cut one unnecessary expense, or save just a little more each week. Your mission: focus on those small, consistent actions. This isn't just about $1,000. It's about proving to yourself that you can rise and capitalize on your potential. Remember, financial journeys have ups and downs. Always do your own research and plan wisely. If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with a friend,